Welcome back to my channel. I am so super excited. Today I am meal prepping carrots in 2 delicious ways. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. Now, to prepare each recipe, you do want to peel your carrots. I am going to be working with about 4 medium to large carrots, and I like to peel them from the smallest end to the largest end, so that way I peel off the thinnest layer of skin possible. Then I save those skin scraps for a veggie broth that I'll make at a later time. Then I take a very sharp knife and I chop my carrots, and I chop them in such a way that they are thin enough to mash later, but also thick enough to where when I bake them, there'll be something nice to bite into. After I get all of my carrots chopped up, I chop up a clove of garlic. I'm actually going to chop up 2 cloves of garlic because I love garlic and I want to put a ton of garlic in the baked carrot recipe that I'm making. Then I transfer about half the portion that I cut up to a bowl and then toss the garlic right on top of that. And then after I get that bowl, I set that to the side, and then I take the remaining carrots and I put them in a pot of water. And I want to have this water enough to be able to cover all of the carrots, and then I want to turn the pot on after I get all the carrots in there so it brings and comes to a boil as the carrots are actually in the pot. Then I'm going to come back over to my bowl where I have all of my amazing carrots and garlic already, and I'm going to add some seasoning. You guys know I like smoked paprika. I'm going to add a little thyme, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I'm going to mix that with the greatest chef tool in all the land, aka my hands, and I'm going to get that all blended, transfer it to a baking sheet, and then pop it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes on 450 degrees so that way I can bake these carrots. Now they're all done. They look delicious. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. And I'm going to transfer here now the other carrots that I had in the pot into a mason jar and just take a fork and mash them. And then there you have it. I have my roasted carrots that will serve as one side, and then I also have my mashed carrots that will serve as one side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.